My guest today is Jim Wyckoff, and we're talking about the importance of intermarket analysis in a trader's success. Jim, you've had 30 years in the market, and you've seen this growing importance on intermarket analysis and this recognition that it really helps traders define their trading decisions and make money in the markets. Jim, talk about a situation or an example maybe where intermarket analysis is really critical for a trader's decision making.
Well, Tim, let's say you're trading gold. You get up in the morning and look at your price screen. You're automatically going to want to know what the US dollar index has done overnight. You're going to want to know what the crude oil market has done, because if the US dollar index is making a significant move, that's very likely going to have a daily price impact on gold. Same way with crude oil. Crude oil leads the raw commodity sector and has some degree of an influence over many other markets. And that's the great thing about TradeShark. It intertwines in its analysis what all these other markets have done to help predict the future price trend of, say, gold.
What does it mean to be able to catch the early side of that trend and that price and get in early?
Well, it means a lot, because once a price starts to trend, it can start to trend very rapidly, and by the time a trader realizes or enters a trade with that trending price action, the majority of that price move may have already occurred. Knowing beforehand or having an idea beforehand tomorrow's price trend in a particular market is a big advantage for a trader.
For many traders, it's all about timing. They're often right about their decisions, but they're in at the wrong time. So how does TradeShark help me with that?
Well, Tim, that's a very good point. You can certainly be right on your price trend, but still be a losing trader. And it's timing of market entry that is so important. And that's the great thing about TradeShark. If you have an idea today what that market's going to do tomorrow, you can set your trading plan of action, you can make your trading decision, have your plan of action ready to go, and beat the crowd.
All right, so if I'm a beginner trader and I'm not an expert on intermarket analysis, can I still use TradeShark to help me make those decisions?
In fact, I think the trader who feels that he needs more work or needs a second set of eyes or needs an experienced partner or analytical tool, TradeShark is the perfect tool.
This is really where TradeShark shines, right? Because indicators based on intermarket analysis is what TradeShark does.
Yeah, the great thing about utilizing intermarket analysis, technical analysis, and price trend forecasting is it makes no difference what market it is. All those markets react and act in the same manner. History shows that to be fact.
I've been talking with Jim Wyckoff about trend following versus trend forecasting.